Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls and do an unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. Now, we don't know the official price. I'm gonna guess they're gonna be over $220, and they're gonna be a deal on where you can get them a bit cheaper if you pre-order them, as per typical OnePlus. Okay, so let's take a look. Where's a good spot to crack this open along the side here? Okay. Open this up. There we go. Slowly but surely. Nice fitted. OnePlus never settle. Now, this was the cool thing I thought. Now, I've always had these leather case on my OnePlus Buds, but my Pixel Buds. This has a leatherish feel to it, and it's just plastic overlaid in a pattern, but kind of cool. Okay, so what else is in here? Probably a charger. So we got a cord charger and extra caps in there. Come on. So yeah, we got a to C cord that's in there because they like A to C because they're VOOC. And we have some extra end buds for it. Okay, put that in there. Let's see what they look like. So, fatter teardrop is what I've heard. Oh, there we go. So there's the microphone pieces for it, right? And it's supposed to be good for that you can tap and then swipe it for volume too. Looks very premium. Oops. There we go. Okay, so I will give it some first impressions. If you have any questions, by all means, shoot away. Thanks.